How do I locate my TD account number?
Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss how to locate your TD account number. Whether you're a new TD customer or simply can't remember where to find your account number, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Finding your TD account number online.
If you have online banking access with TD, locating your account number is a breeze. Follow these steps. 1. Log in to your TD online banking account. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the account summary or account overview page. 3. Look for your account information, which is usually displayed in a table or list format. 4. Locate the column or section that corresponds to your account number. It may be labeled as account number, account ID, or something similar. 5. Note down the account number displayed on the screen. It is typically a series of numbers associated with your specific account.
Finding your TD account number on paper statements.
If you receive paper statements from TD, your account number can usually be found on each statement. Here's how to locate it. 1. Retrieve your most recent paper statement from TD. 2. Look for the header section of the statement, typically located at the top or in a prominent position. 3. Within the header section, scan for details such as your name, address, and account information. 4. Locate the section that contains your account number. It might be labeled as account number or account ID. 5. Write down the account number provided on the statement. It typically consists of numbers specific to your account.
Contacting TD customer service for assistance.
If you're unable to find your TD account number through online banking or paper statements, don't worry. TD has excellent customer service representatives who can assist you. Here's how to reach them. 1. Locate the customer service phone number for your specific TD region or country. This information can usually be found on the official TD website or on the back of your TD debit or credit card. 2. Dial the customer service number and wait for the call to be answered. 3. Once connected with a TD representative, politely explain that you need assistance in locating your account number. 4. Provide any necessary identification or verification information requested by the representative to ensure the security of your account. 5. The TD representative will then be able to provide you with your account number over the phone. That wraps up our video on how to locate your TD account number. We covered 3 methods: finding it online through your TD online banking account, locating it on paper statements, and contacting TD customer service for assistance. Remember to keep your account number in a safe place and avoid sharing it with unauthorized individuals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful banking tips. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.